Alright, here I am with the server that I'm building. It's a Hudson M1 processor. It's a dual core. It's 2 gigs of RAM. It's got 4 SIL ATA ports. This is a Chimbro case. I can't remember what model number it is, but it's got four hot swap bays in the front. Let me turn on the light there, or let me just turn it up. So 4 hot swap bays. It's got indicator lights on it. I had to buy the SD card slot thing, so I could basically a little motherboard. Had to hook it up, and I had to buy the Y cable separate, and then hook that up to the motherboard as well. This is going to be a FreeNAS server. FreeNAS runs off of a USB stick or an SD card, so I'll be setting that up later, and I'll put up a video after I get it set up. I haven't decided which version to go with yet. So that's my server, and just thought I'd put it on YouTube.